Hello, my name is Aviral Prakash Pandey and this is my creation for the second DIY assignment. I have made the smoke detector whose function is to detect smoke around the space surrounding it, and if the smoke density is greater than a specific value, then the piezo buzzer will start producing sound. Here I have a gas sensor which is connected to the analog pin A0, and I have this piezo buzzer which is connected to the digital pin number 7, and I have also connected an oscilloscope across the terminals of this piezo buzzer. Here you can see that the time per division is 1 millisecond. Now I will show the code for this operation. So here you can see I have made this variable known as gas sensor input, and it is set to read the analog pin A0. I used an if then statement and set the gas sensor input to be greater than or equal to 150. So this green thing here is coming from math option. Here you can see. So if the gas sensor input crosses 150, and this is the smoke density, so this 150 is the smoke density. So if the smoke density crosses 150, then the piezo buzzer will start producing sound. So the output is to play speaker on pin 7 with tone 60 for 1 second. Now I'll start the simulation and show you how it works. And the piezo buzzer stops buzzing. So as I bring it near to this again, it starts buzzing again, and as I take it away, the smoke density reduces and this stops buzzing. So here is the text code for the same. The text code is here. Thank you.